from Iran. Yeah, my dad is in Tehran right now. Yeah, man, just enjoying this, last little bit of sunlight before the sun goes down out here in Bay Area, California. Don't worry, I'm going to get a haircut this week. Thank you for the positive vibe. Of course, man. That's what we're here to do. Dope lyrics, dope vibe, dope message, dope song. Thank you, man. Why Kaylee B thinks so much. Okay. Inshallah. We need Locksmith Echo. We got a couple songs together, but we're gonna do some more together. Shout out to my man Echo, man. I love that guy. It's my guy. Humanity's in trouble. They're censoring the truth from people. Okay. Keep reaching the Quran and spitting knowledge to the masses, inshallah. Will I ever come do a show in South Africa? Absolutely, man. As soon as somebody brings me out there, I'm ready to rock. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah. I'm working on this new song, though. Crazy. But, yeah, man. Dope is out right now. Locksmith, Neelam from Iran. Yeah, my dad is in Tehran right now. Peace. Yeah, man. But what did I do today? Today, I did some, got up, taking care of some emails and stuff like that. Did some yoga, a little stretching. Ate a little breakfast, some fruit, some fresh fruit. Did a little more work. Had to run a few errands. Preparing for a little trip that I'm going on. And then, had to get outside, get some walking in. Today was a chill day, easy day. When I'm sitting on live, do lyrics run through my mind? Yeah, sometimes if something sparks a thought, or if I just think of something. Lyrics pop in your head all the time. We need more Shade 4-5 freestyles. Yeah, man, I haven't been to the East Coast. I don't know, are they really even doing, we still, in the pandemic. Don't forget, we still in the pandemic. Stuff isn't all the way open yet, but hopefully soon. Do I watch football? Motherfucking bang bang Niner gang. Bang bang Niner gang. It's 49ers all day. Sunday night football. I was going to go to the game on Sunday, but I'm going to be out of town. I was going to go to the Niners-Packer game. Sunday night football, baby. But I will be watching. Bang, bang, Niner gang. Go, Pack, go. Hey, man, I wish you the best, man. We're going to see. We gon' see. Be on the lookout for Nick Bosa, Javal Kinlaw, Contavious Street. Y'all getting hit with vaccine passports? I mean, hey man, I'm vaccinated, but you know, I'm with everybody making their own choices. I don't like the government controlling things, but we are in a pandemic, so be careful, man. When did vaccines become such a crazy thing that people are just like, I mean, if you over 30 years old, you got vaccinated when you was a baby. But, you know, I'm with everybody making their own choices. I don't like the government controlling people's decisions. Man, you deserve fucking more recognition. Should be top 10. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate the love, man. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful day, man. You gotta count your blessings. You gotta be grateful for you know, every day you get up, man. It's a blessing, you know. You gotta be grateful. Everybody do got choices. Everybody got choices. Oh. Me too. I think it's just whack, but that's what they gotta do. Yeah, man. I mean, you know, I make my decisions based on my own judgment and my own information. I'm not swayed by social media posts. I'm not swayed by the network news. I'm not swayed by Instagram gurus. I'm swayed by information that I can use to make my own reasonable judgment. I use reason, you know? Oh. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here, man. I love y'all. Y'all show so much love. We got some great things coming up, some wonderful things. I've been working non-stop, working hard. So I can't wait. I can't wait to just keep on giving you guys this information, this art. And but I'm not gonna stay on here too long. I just want to say what's up. And man, I love you. Dope is out right now. Hit the link in my bio. Go to YouTube, check out the video, and I'm out.